Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to walk you through a powerful feature in Microsoft Power BI that beginners often overlook, or might even find a bit confusing: how to use asterisk bins and lists asterisk to organize and analyze your data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand not only how to create bins and lists, but also why they're so useful in making your reports clearer and more insightful. If you've ever wanted to group your customer data by age ranges or categorize names for better analysis, this video is for you. Let's dive right in with an example dataset. Imagine you have a table showing customer names, their ages, the region they're from, and their sales numbers. This is a pretty typical scenario for anyone working with sales or marketing data, and it gives us plenty of opportunities to see bins and lists in action. First, let's focus on the customer names column. In Power BI, you'll want to select this column, just a single click to highlight it, then right-click on it. From the menu that pops up, you'll see an option called asterisk new group asterisk. Go ahead and click that. By default, Power BI will suggest creating a group as a list, which simply means you're categorizing items based on distinct values in your data. For customer names, grouping as a list is perfect, especially if you want to segment your report by specific individuals or groups of customers. Before you hit OK, take a moment to review which names are included in each group. You can select multiple names and add them to a group, or create several different groupings based on criteria meaningful to you, maybe high-value clients or frequent shoppers. When you're ready, click OK. What you just did is create a new column that helps you quickly analyze data based on these customer name groupings. It makes your report more organized and lets you zoom in on patterns or behaviors among different customer groups. Now let's look at the age column. Right-click on the age field and again select New Group. But here you'll notice something powerful. Apart from lists, you can also choose asterisk bins asterisk. What's the difference? Well, bins are designed for numeric columns like age or sales figures, and they help you break continuous data into defined ranges or intervals. It's sort of like dividing a long road into manageable blocks, so it's easier to see how far you've traveled, or in this case, how many customers fall into each age group. Let's select bin for the group type. You'll see a few key settings: bin type, minimum and maximum values, and bin size. Bin size determines how wide each age group will be. For example, you could set bins to group ages in intervals of 10, like 2029, 3039, and so on. Power BI can suggest defaults, but you're free to customize these ranges to fit your needs. Take your time here. This part might take a few moments if you want to experiment with different bin sizes. And don't worry if you change your mind. You can always reset to default or adjust these settings later. When you're happy with the setup, press OK. At this point, you've used lists to group categorical data and bins to segment numerical data. But why does this matter? Well, using lists helps you analyze performance or trends for distinct categories like individual customers or products. Bins, on the other hand, let you make sense of ranges, so you can see if your sales peak among customers aged 30-40 or which sales figures tend to occur most often. Both methods bring structure to your reports, transforming raw data into actionable insights without overwhelming you or your viewers with details. Alright, that wraps up our beginner's guide to bins and lists in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more examples. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.